It's Michael Lee with Reconciled here, and I'm here to show you an exciting update to Ignition, the automated proposal billing and payment system that I use at my firm Reconciled and that thousands and thousands of accounting firms around the world use. But they've got some new features I want to tell you about. One of the things that Ignition makes easy is to package and present your services to your clients, and they've done that for years. And they do it by showing a professional proposal system and a suite of great features so that you can upsell and maximize your revenue. They've just launched an awesome new feature, proposal add-ons it's called, where you can present additional services to your clients so they can opt in at the signing process when they see your proposal. It's a great way to earn extra revenue and allow them that impulse purchase or that last minute service purchase when they look at your proposal. So let me jump into Ignition and take a look. So this is what you normally see or customer sees when they get a proposal from you. Just a beautiful introduction. You can add a video to it, right? Very, very, very beautiful. This is the brochures section. Here's where the beauty is. In the presentation of your proposal, if you do a 3-tiered pricing presentation of gold, silver, bronze packages, you'll see right at the bottom the different add-on services that are being presented to your customer. So I can go ahead and click on any of these packages. Let's go ahead and select the silver package. See the normal proposal that they normally would get on Ignition. And here's where the beauty of it is, the add-ons. Your customer is going to be able to see the different add-ons that you want to show them. These allow your customer to see different capabilities of services that maybe you didn't talk about in detail, or maybe they didn't bring up, but you want to make sure they get a chance to opt in. So things like cash flow and budgeting services, tax planning services, sales tax services, maybe a coaching session, mentoring session, or other services that you provide, but you just didn't get a chance to talk about with your customer. So I'm going to go ahead and add all 3 services to this proposal. And here's how beautiful it is. The pricing comes up, wow. They immediately incorporate those services right into your service scope, and they're going to be billed every month. So I really liken this to your customer being asked, would you like guacamole with that? After you've brought the food to them, the food is the package, the guacamole is the add-on. It's beautiful. And how often do you say no to guacamole? Not often, right? We all want a little bit of that. So then it incorporates it right into your payments, customer size, voila, all of a sudden you've just upsold them additional services that you want to provide them and they want to have from you. So now I'm at the proposal screen from your side as a firm. I'm going to show you how easy it is to add the add-ons to your service packages. Okay, so you'll notice that you have 3 service packages, your gold, silver, bronze, and they had picked the silver. And in the silver, if you remember, I had added 3 different options: cash flow and budgeting services, tax planning calls, and bookkeeper support. So I have now these 3 services as options here, optional add-ons on there. Of course, you can have a whole bunch of other services like sales tax or cash flow planning or coaching or mentoring in this. But these were the 3 I wanted to be included in the silver package. So that's how easy Ignition has made this. I highly recommend that you try out this option for your firm. If you're not already using Ignition and you're interested, go ahead and start a free trial or reach out to the team. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer for them. I love meeting new firm owners and sharing how we've made Ignition successful at Reconciled. And I think you're going to be making this feature especially successful with Ignition. And it lets your customers already increase their services with you in an easy and convenient manner.